Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Today we are going to discuss about identity and membership operator. What is identity operator? So the identity operator is used to check whether a particular variable belongs to the same class or type. So what are the identity operator we have? Is and is not are the identity operator. So it is easy to check whether two variables or values belongs to the same part of a memory location. So that is what we are going to check in this identity operator. So is operator will provide the true result when both are located in the same memory location. And is not will provide the true result when both are not located in the same memory location. So we'll see in the example. So we have a variable called A and B. So both having different value. A is B. So both having different value. So if I try to compare this memory location, I'm getting a result as false. Okay, because both are located in the different part. And here, if I provide A is not of B, we will get result as true. Because when we will get the result as true for this is not, both are located at the different part. Okay. So if you want to make this A is B as true means we have to keep both value as same. Then only we will get the result as true for this is. Okay. So for example, A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 4. So if I keep like that, print off A is B, we will get a result as true. Okay. So this is identity operator. We are going to discuss about membership operator. So what is membership operator? So which is used to check the presence of element of a particular data structure. Whatever the sequence data type, in that we can able to check the presence of a particular element. Okay. So here also we are going to check the presence of element. We are going to get the result as Boolean value, either true or false. Okay. So what are the membership operators we have? In and not in. So we have a list data structure. So list 23, 4.56, good, 45, 78, 89, 100. So these are all some input from the list input. So 23 in list. So I'm telling that 23 is the input which is available in the list. Okay. So if it is present, we will get the result as true. And not in means I'm telling that 34 is not available in list. Yeah, it is true. So we will get for this also true. Okay. For example, this 45 is available in this list. For that, if I put not in list means that case it becomes false. 45 not in list. So in that we will get a result as false. So these are all the identity operators. So in next video, we will discuss what is bitwise operator. I hope all of you understand this operators. Thank you guys.